Okay, let's go back. And the next part, I think that's part 7, right? We're gonna label our work. Okay, you guys ready? So you in Illustrator, you're gonna use the tool T for type, and it's just very obvious. T right there, see that? If you click on it or just hit the T key, it will get you to that tool. And before you do anything, you're gonna go to the top of the screen of the Illustrator screen, and you click T type, okay? And you go to font. You go to font, and you can expand that window, okay? And let's do again, font, and you will see the list of font that's available for you. Many, many, many. I would like you to only do sans serif. Now, if you don't know what that is, then just follow my lead. And then later on, I will explain what sans serif is. I remember I did do explain sans serif, and I might be wrong. But let's say we know sans serif is, okay? View sans is example of anytime you see the word sans in the name, it's guaranteed sans serif. So if you see the word sans, that's sans serif. So let's do give sans, okay, because it's easy. Let's do ultra bold, okay, because I want it big, right? Let's do ultra bold, and I want to just click on the top. See that? Now, I want to increase the size of my letter. So I'm going to go to the property panel. After you click on T, the character option should appear. And you can assign different size. So let's go 48, too big. Don't commit it to it. Just say 48, too big. 36, better, right? 36, probably good. Or 24. You can actually type the letter, the number. Let's say you want 36. And then you move it over here, like somewhere in the middle. Okay. Now, and then you type it. You're going to highlight that. Now you can use other font as long as sans serif. Okay. I'm going to do, you can do all lowercase because this is a poster. It treats like a poster. So it's gonna be a little bit loosey on grammar as long as the spelling is correct. So I can just do color wheel. If I just want everything it's lowercase, okay? And I like it a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna go, and this is pretty cool. I can enter the exact number I want. So I don't want I don't want 48. I want between 36 and 48. So I want to say 39. Let's see what 39 look like. Okay, so enter 39. Watch what you enter before you hit the enter key. Okay, I can enter 39. Oh, hold on. So I enter 39. Let's see what 39 do. How can I not enter? Okay, you can go up here and enter 39. So there's two windows to enter 39. So 39 is a little bit smaller than 48. And 39, you can increase by 3, okay? Okay, let's try 42. I like 42. See that? So you do 42. Now another cool thing is if you go back to the property window, you can spread the space, the tracking, like the space between letters, all the letter out. So this is tracking, okay? You want to spread it a little bit. It's up to you, okay? But there's a reason why I spread it out. I will tell you the reason. See that? Now, and then I deselect, and then I will put my name. For this time, I can use different font. So I'm gonna go, okay, I'm gonna put my name. I'm gonna go back to type and look for a font. Let's say we do Filtra or Helvetica. Oh, we got Helvetica. That's fancy because you don't get Helvetica too often. Helvetica is also another famous sans serif font. So let's do both. And click here, Helvetica. Okay. So instead of 42, because it's just your name, you're going to put it down. Maybe, look at it, 21 or 18, something like that. Okay. And then you highlight it and you will use T tool. You highlight it and you will spell your name. Okay, you can put your nickname if it's official. You don't have to. I usually never put my nickname in my official work. And I can put my name somewhere down here. All right. And I put my color wheel up a little and then put my, see that? Deselect. That's not the end of it, okay? That's not the end of it. So don't go get excited about it just yet. All right. So I have this here. The next thing, and this is important, so pay attention. I select color wheel again. Instead of being a type, I'm going to change it to, I'm going to rasterize it. Are you here with us, Heriberto? I'm going to rasterize it. So I'm going to go select color wheel. I'm going to go to object. I'm going to go to object. And I will expand. Expand, that's the word. Okay? Once you do that, it's no longer a type. Right? Once you expand a type, it becomes an object. Now, you might not know what's the difference. It is a difference, I will tell you. So, let's expand it. And then we will expand it with object and fill. We'll expand it. See? It's no longer a type. Now, I want to color each letter. So when I double click, watch me. When I double click on each letter, click one more. And notice on the upper left corner, it say layers, one, group. You see? If you hit escape, it's a group, right? Everything is a group, it's grouped together. If you want to individually edit each letter without breaking the group off, you're gonna double click on each letter and click on it again. See that? And you can choose any color in the color wheel that you use for each letter. Let's say you start out with something strong, this one, okay? And you go to this one and you just go, oh, I do this, so the next one be blue, violet. So I'm gonna go, just having fun with it, okay? There is nothing better than having fun. See that? And I go here, I say, okay, so now if I start red, and then I go with violet, it's just having fun, okay? And then I go with blue. So you can start on different color. You don't have to start with red. You can start with anything, right? And then you start with blue, green. So let's say you want blue, green. So maybe this, right? Or maybe this. You know, whatever that fits your imagination. And for wheel, you can go the other direction, right? You go with red again, or you start with different color altogether, okay? But start with something dark. So you go here, you go maybe start with violet, right? So go violet, and let's go to this direction. So let's go to blue, violet, right? So go that and go here, and you make sure that this show, okay? Otherwise you won't be able to. Let's go to blue, violet. No, that one. Let's this one. And let's go to blue green. Let's go to blue green. So this is blue green, okay? And after blue green, let's go with blue, green, sorry. I'll go with green. And then the last one will go with orange or yellow. Let's go with yellow, okay? If they stand out, yellow. How about this one? Oh, that's too much, right? Let's go with this one. And then hit escape. So You don't have to be like me. Now, when you're done with the color wheel, now because this is tight, you can scale it, right? So you can hold out your shift key and scale it. See that? As big as you want, and rearrange everything. You can actually you can arrange differently. You want to like move your name like over here a little, move your color wheel to the left a little. Now you being a designer. That doesn't look good. Okay, let's move back to the center. I don't know, whatever that fits your imagination. Or what if you want to move your name up here right below and move your color wheel just a little bit down. Okay, and then when you like everything, you are done. So the color wheel, now you finish the work, and that, for this section you are ready to save up your work, back it up, and turn in your final. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here, and this we consider finished. So make sure you save it. So go here, save. See that? We'll save, and then stop sharing.